Hello, everyone. My name's Matthew. I'm from the southeast of the United Kingdom, and this is my CS50 project, AdoptACat, where you can adopt a cat using this web application, which uses Python, HTML, and CSS, all of the skills that were taught in week 8 and week 9 of CS50X. Fantastic course. Before the course, I couldn't even say hello world, but now I can build this web application. So thank you so much to everyone who helped deliver this course. On the home screen here, we have two options. We can either adopt a cat or you can help out. If you do want to help out, you are shown a registration screen. All of the details here, once you enter them, the name and the email, and you press enter, like David at harvard.edu. This will be stored in a SQL table, in a SQL database, and that's one part of this web application. If we press return, then we are taken to this screen, and this screen is shown if you press the I want to adopt button. So if you press the I want to adopt button, you're also taken to this screen where you have 3 more options to learn more about the charity I've set up called AdoptACat. It's just a simple about page, basically. Press return, it will take us back to that screen. We can even view the cats database as well. This is from a table in the same SQL database, cats.db. I'm just showing the data on the screen. All of this was programmed on the back end. I programmed this all in. There's no entry. So I was thinking if someone was really running this website, it would be entered on the back end because as the user, you're not adding the cats. Maybe that's something we could add, of course, to this, thinking about it now. But of course, the main point of this website is to have people adopt cats. You can do this by pressing the adopt button, the I want to adopt button here to register, and then register. And then I just enter David again. Thank you, David. I'm just using your information. And then this is also added into another SQL database as well. So I've got 3 SQL databases running in the back end as well, picking up all this information. And this is it. This was CS50. I hope you think my project is cool. I definitely do because I couldn't imagine building this a few months ago. So anyway, thank you so much to everyone, and thanks for watching.